If you're looking for a super easy fall decor DIY project, I've got you covered, so stay tuned. So for today's fall decor DIY, I'm going to show you how to make an outdoor swag. If you're not quite sure what that is, really, it's just a little bit of greenery that can be like 20 inches up to 32. And where they're used is when you have a beautiful outdoor light or lantern, you put that swag up behind the lantern and it looks absolutely beautiful. So let's get started. So I am not a waste not, want not girl, and even when I'm doing florals, if I have just a few little flowers left over, I save them in a Tupperware box. The girls at the store kind of make fun of me because I think they think I'm part hoarder, which might be true. But the reason I'm telling you that is because this is a Christmas swag. I don't use it anymore because it's pretty old, but I'm going to repurpose it into a swag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it about that long. So it's about 20 inches, and I'm going to cut the pine cones off, and then this is going to be the base of my fall swag. So while it might seem weird to be using pine during the fall, it actually is going to make a really pretty backdrop. Now I snipped a few of the branches off so it wouldn't be so thick. Now here's the key to making this a super fast project. Find 2 picks, rather large, that you just really, really love, and that's what we're gonna start with the base. Now I am gonna wire these on. We're gonna use wire and we're gonna use hot glue. So I'm just gonna start by putting these on. Need my glasses. So I am attaching the picks with wire, and my favorite wire is a 24 gauge. It's really easy to work with. Now I will use glue in this as well, but since the picks are so heavy, I'm gonna make sure they're gonna stay on there. Now when you put your first pick on, I kind of go up just a little bit higher and I attach the second one. I've got the 2 picks on, and now I'm going to add, I found these really pretty white sunflowers. I've seen them everywhere, Hobby Lobby, Dollar General, but I'm gonna do 2 of them. I've already snipped the stems off, and I'm gonna add some hot glue and just attach it. And I always put a cutting board. I found this big cutting board down on my table because sometimes when you're doing this craft, the hot glue will leak through and hit the table. Yeah, I know that from experience. So a cutting board is perfect. I'm gonna do 1 flower here, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of orange. I love this orange pumpkin. So that's gonna go right here, and then the flower right there. The last thing I'm gonna add is a little bit of whimsy, and these are some lighter colored flowers, which I think will kind of pop. You can tell I snipped on them last year, so I'm just gonna snip them and glue them just around, not too heavy because you want it to look whimsical. I've got the swag finished, and while it looks very unattractive right here, that is the part that's gonna go up behind the light itself, and I'm either gonna use wire or maybe zip ties to attach it. I found this gorgeous ribbon that came overnight from Amazon. It's wired. You wanna use wired ribbon when you're making bows outside because A, it tends to hold up better, and if you want to save it for the next year, I usually put tissues in each loop and it makes it super easy to save. Now, if you want to learn how to make a bow, I have got a video. Just click the link above and it'll show you how to make a bow. So I'm going to get busy on mine. This is a super easy project you can do, and it doesn't cost very much money at all. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, come follow me over there. I'm a little bit more personal over there, but we're gonna have so many more videos coming out this holiday season. We're super excited. Everybody stay safe and stay well. Wire, it's 24 gauge. I do use hot glue. Okay.
Go ahead.
So for today's fall, slam.